Hey there, everybody! Welcome to Health Well! Did you know that peppermint was first discovered by accident hundreds of years ago? It was first cultivated in England, and its medical virtues were quickly revealed. There are various peppermint tea benefits, which is why it is a classic drink that is enjoyed by people from all over the world. The most commonly used recipe of peppermint tea consists of mint, green tea leaves, and honey, and it can be consumed at any time during the day. Early indigenous Americans brewed tea from untamed fresh mint to soothe an unsettled gut. There are many more reasons why you should start drinking peppermint tea. Stay tuned to learn all about them. Number 1. Freshens up your breath. Peppermint contains antimicrobial substances that help destroy microorganisms that produce dental plaque, which might also make your breath fresher. Research has suggested that post-surgery patients who were given a rinse containing peppermint, tea tree, and lemon oils felt better in terms of their bad breath symptoms. Peppermint is a prominent flavor in toothpaste, mouth rinses, and chewing candies due to its refreshing aftertaste. Therefore, if you have a cup of peppermint tea early in the morning or whenever you experience a foul breath, you will enjoy the refreshing breath advantages of peppermint tea. You can also sip peppermint tea to neutralize your bad breath after eating smelly foods like garlic or scallions. To achieve the finest outcomes, make sure your peppermint tea is made with actual peppermint and not artificial flavorings. Number 2. Fights flu and the common cold. Peppermint tea has elements that help prevent the common cold and build your immunity. Sipping a hot cup of peppermint tea is one of the most efficient ways to ease a sore throat. Peppermint tea raises the bar by calming nerves in the throat that cause a persistent cough. The antioxidants in peppermint tea improve blood flow and help white blood lymphocytes to circulate more quickly all through the body, allowing your body to combat viruses and bacteria more quickly. Antimicrobial properties in peppermint tea help your immune system fight bacteria that are harmful to it. Peppermint tea also includes important minerals and chemicals that help to strengthen your immune system and keep you from becoming sick as often. It consists of vitamin B, calcium, and potassium that are nutrients required to fight pathogenic intruders, allowing you to stay strong. Number 3. Reduces stress. Peppermint tea is used in aromatherapy to help relieve stress and promote general health and happiness. This is due to peppermint tea's inherent sedative properties, which help you relax after a long, tiring day at work. Hot peppermint tea can help to reduce your general temperature, enabling your muscles to rest and reduce inflammation. Anti-inflammatory qualities also lower blood pressure, making you feel more relaxed. Since peppermint tea is essentially caffeine-free, it can be consumed at any hour of the day without causing sleeplessness. The lack of nicotine also ensures you won't be feeling twitchy, which is why it's extremely popular for relieving stress and making you feel at peace. Number 4. Blocked sinuses may be relieved. Peppermint tea is loaded with antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral benefits. As a result, it may aid in the treatment of congested sinuses caused by infectious diseases and allergens. Furthermore, menthol, one of the essential chemicals in peppermint, has been shown to assist the opening of passageways and easing congestion since it is an excellent muscle sedative. This prevents severe diseases like bronchitis. Even inhaling the vapor from peppermint tea can make you feel like you're breathing better. Furthermore, drinking warm peppermint tea has also been reported to momentarily alleviate sinus congestion symptoms. Number 5. Helps with stomach problems. Peppermint tea can help with gastrointestinal complications, and it has been shown to help with irritable bowel syndrome complaints in some circumstances. This tea helps soothe your digestive system by relaxing abdominal muscles and increasing bile circulation. This allows the food to break down and travel through your stomach more efficiently. Consuming pure or raw peppermint, on the other hand, can irritate certain digestive conditions, so it's best to avoid it if you have acid reflux. Moving on, the soothing effects of menthol and peppermint tea aid to ease an upset digestive system in numerous ways. For starters, menthol relaxes the stomach muscles, which helps to relieve stomach cramps. According to research, peppermint tea has been effective in lowering the incidence, duration, and severity of stomach pain in children. Menthol's cooling impact can help to improve circulation and relieve stomach discomfort by reducing inflammation. Peppermint tea can help with bloating by reducing the sensation of being full and reducing inflammation. Another study conducted on cancer patients has suggested that peppermint oil tea can help lower the occurrence and intensity of vomiting and diarrhea. Number 6. Assistance with weight loss. Peppermint tea is sugar-free. However, it comes with a natural sweetness and refreshing aroma that makes it an excellent alternative to sugar-laden soft drinks, fruit juices, and beverages for people who want to cut back on sugar due to medical reasons or if they're just trying to lose weight. Therefore, if you're ever feeling hungry in the middle of the afternoon, rather than just reaching for a sweetened beverage, consider a calorie-free cup of mint tea. Your blood glucose levels will be more consistent, and you'll avoid the unpleasant energy drop that follows an insulin rise after consuming an artificially sweetened drink. If you're finding this video interesting so far, then make sure to hit the like button, and why not subscribe so you can keep learning more? It's free. Number 7. Helps treat migraines. Peppermint works as a muscle relaxant and painkiller, which is why it is also effective in treating headaches. Peppermint tea contains menthol, which improves blood flow and creates a cooling sensation that helps in alleviating pain. Research shows that consuming this tea helps reduce the intensity of migraines. Although the scent of peppermint tea can promote relaxation of muscles and relieve headache discomfort, putting peppermint oil on your forehead can be much more effective. Number 8. Helps in the nourishment of hair and skin. Having healthy skin and hair is the ultimate dream of most people across the world. So if you know a thing or two about skincare, then you must be aware of the common uses of peppermint in various skincare and hair care products. Peppermint can aid in the treatment of dandruff by alleviating itching and relaxing dry scalps. You can wash the affected area with peppermint tea and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes prior to actually washing for optimal effects. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory effects of peppermint can significantly minimize acne irritation, and its antibacterial characteristics can combat bacteria from clogging pores. Peppermint's calming properties are beneficial for healing irritated and sensitive skin. Number 9. Helps reduce seasonal allergies. Peppermint contains rosmarinic acid, which is commonly present in rosemary and other mint species. Rosmarinic acid has been linked to a reduction in allergy reactions like runny noses, eye discomfort, and asthmatic symptoms. The people who have consumed supplements containing this beneficial acid have reported reduced sensations of nasal itchiness, eye irritation, and other symptoms of allergy. While it's unclear whether the amount of rosmarinic acid in peppermint is sufficient to alleviate seasonal allergies, there is some strong indication that it can be beneficial. Number 10. Helps prevent nausea and morning sickness. Peppermint tea contains antispasmodic effects that can help with nausea and sickness. Peppermint's fragrance can aid in reducing nausea, and chemical compounds in the peppermint can assist in calming abdominal muscles that spasm and cause vomiting. Peppermint tea can be consumed before getting on a plane, vehicle, or while on board a ship or boat to alleviate motion sickness or seasickness. Number 11. Eases menstrual cramps. Peppermint can help relieve muscle spasms in the colon, and research indicates that it can do the same for patients experiencing menstrual cramps. A study investigated the use of peppermint tea by various women who experienced unpleasant menstruation. Peppermint tea given for 3 days from the beginning of menstruation is as effective as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like Motrin or Aleve in decreasing the severity and frequency of the pain, as per the findings of the study. Number 12. Helps women with polycystic ovary syndrome. Herbal teas can assist in enhancing your physiological and cognitive health in a variety of ways, but determining which tea will assist you with which ailment can be difficult. There are a lot of articles that break it down by teas and then details the benefits of each one. What we need is a quick guide to assist us in figuring out which PCOS system we're dealing with and how peppermint tea can help manage it. Nervousness and anxiety are a few common symptoms of PCOS, and consuming peppermint tea not only calms and relaxes you, but it also helps to relieve tension and nervousness. It contains a chemical compound called theanine that helps minimize anxiety by suppressing the production of the stress-inducing chemical cortisol. Furthermore, people dealing with the mental complications of PCOS are recommended to cut back on their coffee consumption, as it would only aggravate their anxiousness. Coffee is a narcotic that provokes your body's fight or flight reflex, which exacerbates stress. Peppermint tea is a good option for those of us who want a caffeine-free beverage that would not make them feel jittery. Lastly, who else has purchased numerous different high-priced skin creams to treat acne and other skin issues caused by PCOS? Try a cup of peppermint tea instead. It's high in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and immune-boosting compounds, has antiviral and antimicrobial qualities, all of which will make your skin glow. Have you used peppermint tea to improve your digestion? Do you think it's an effective way to lose weight considering there are almost no calories in it? Let us know in the comments below. Here are 2 more videos you might find interesting Feel free to choose the one you like. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos on health, subscribe to the channel.